Hi guys, my name is Thomas Lashbrook and I'm a solution engineer at ibml. Today I'm presenting our best practice guide on remote working and crowd optimized data capture. This video is part of a series, so if you like this one, be sure to stick around till the end of the video for more information on how to get in touch with one of our experts. The capture industry is changing. We're seeing lots of new ways to ingest data, be it artificial intelligence, cloud services, or using RPA. All of these technologies offer higher automation rates, more intelligence, and a quicker delivery. But what's the catch? The fact is that as this technology changes, so do our concerns. How much can we trust artificial intelligence to do the job for us? Do you feel nervous letting any new solutions in because of the headache of protecting your customers' data? The fact is that even with the promise of better automation, we need to apply good practices to ensure that your customer data remains secure. My name's Thomas Lashbrook, and I'm here to talk about the best practice guide for crowd capture and remote working solutions. Let's start by understanding the problems that this technology can solve. Imagine you have a capture platform and you're ingesting documents. Using computers with recognition software, you can automate the classification of the documents and obtain the critical business information you need. For anything you can't automate, you have people on-premise keying the exceptions. We call this the happy path. Our software solution is automating to a high level, with only a few exceptions needing manual validation. But what happens if your software solution is ineffective? Some documents are just too difficult to automate without being prohibitively expensive. Instead, you have to rely on manual validation, which means more bums on seats and more overhead costs. It also creates a resource issue for unstable and unpredictable volumes. Combined with poor resource allocation, customers facing these issues will see more errors, delays, and problems downstream. Crowd capture is human intelligence on demand and can work as an alternative or in addition to your existing platform. When a computer has a hard time making sense of something tricky, we classify it as a hit or human intelligent task. There are many hits capable of being dispensed to the crowd. They can classify, search for information, and evaluate it. But the best hits are simple. Crowd workers want work they can do easily and quickly. This makes it an excellent tool for reading handwritten information. It also means that you can keep your information safe, as you only need to send the minimum information required for the operator to understand the task. It's for this reason we recommend using structured forms. To locate and take snippets of information, we must filter out documents not intended for the crowd. Using classification, we can categorize each document type and assign the documents we want to use. For more information on document classification, check out our other videos. You're now at a stage where the data is prepared for the crowd. If you know a bit about crowdsourcing data entry, you might know that there are multiple crowd services to choose from, including Amazon MTurk, Microworkers, and Upwork. Together they hold over 2 million workers, and combined they can offer 24/7 services. This brings us on to our next tip, which is to use an intelligent load balancing system. To harness the power of crowdsourcing, you need a connection that can link crowds together dynamically. This is known as a crowdsourcing portal, which can manage all the data coming in and going out of your platform to the crowd. By using dynamic workload balancing, you can shift that work between groups. This can empower you to work to a range of SLA options, which can be from 12 down to 2 hours turnaround time. For one of our customers, they are able to take a process from 4 days down to just 2 hours. It also gives you more control over how the data is entered. One other key feature of crowdsourcing portals is double keying and supervision. It works by sending 2 users the same information for extraction. If they agree, then the information is correct. If they do not, then a supervisor also in the crowd clears up this exception. And this can produce close to 100% data accuracy. Further quality assurances include user ratings, which are done behind the scenes. For example, they can help blacklist bad workers without you having to worry about retraining or replacing anyone. You can also lock jobs to specific regions or by language skills. If that isn't enough, you can use the portal to contract with BPOs or your own workforce. And all of this is configurable down to the field level. And finally, this is all viewable in a customer portal where you can view and manage your jobs as they progress throughout the day. For the last part of this video, I'm going to tell you about our experiences implementing these solutions, and I'll also answer some common questions. I hope this will give you some insight into what this technology is capable of. This technology is best suited to structured forms and benefits both your capture platform and the crowd. It's great for you because you can guarantee that only the data you want to send gets sent out of context to secure servers, whilst the rest of your data stays on your platform. Crowd workers love the simple and repetitive tasks, for example capturing dates, amounts or reference numbers. Things such as full-page capture for unstructured documents don't offer the same security or appeal to the crowd. We're open to more intelligent field location and will likely offer it in the future, but until we can guarantee our customer data is safe, we'll stick to automating the best we can without introducing new threats to security. Firstly, you'll need a recognition project that can classify your documents. For data transfer, a crowd portal needs a connector that can send and receive data securely. Jobs can then be created and optimized for your data snippets in the crowd. This requires a proof of concept to understand the business needs and optimize the jobs for the remote workers. This varies by the complexity of the job, the required tuning, and a host of other factors. Previous installations with our customers have seen real benefits of cost savings of up to 30%, but the real value for them was getting their critical business information in 1 hour instead of 4 days, whilst also freeing up 95% of their on-premise staff. If you're interested in hearing more about how this could benefit you, go to ibml.com and click on Consult an Expert and tell us how we can help you solve your capture problem. Thanks for listening, guys. I'm Tom, and I'll see you next time.